loves, thank you for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, my name is Show Love, and if you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to be learning how to use the offset tool in Silhouette Studio. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and pull up your design in Silhouette Studio. Then you want to click on your design. Then go to the offset tool on the right side. Then click offset. Make sure your distance is at 0.125. Make sure your corners are rounded. And then select apply. Then you want to move your original design to the side. Click your outline and then select offset. You want to change your distance to 0.20. Make sure your corners are rounded and then select apply. Once you're done with that, you want to select your entire design and then right click, scroll down and select group. Then you want to right click again, scroll down and select make compound path. Then I'm just going to change the color so that you guys can see it. Select my original heart, put it inside of the outline, select the entire design, and then I'm going to align it vertically and horizontally so that it is centered. Then you want to right click, scroll down and group it. And that's it, guys. You have successfully learned how to use the offset tool. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye, loves.